So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. Simply click on Start Lab and come to task number 1. Now from here, right click and open incognito window. Now you may be requiring the username and password. For that you need to refer to the lab instruction. So just paste it from here, and similarly you do with the password too. So just paste it. Now here just click on I understand. Now from here just click on this settings option. From here just click on this checkbox, come over here to the editor, and from here from task number 2, okay, copy this code and update in the appscript.json file. Now come to code.js and just scroll above. From here just copy this file and replace the entire content. Copy this name and simply update the name and just click on rename. Once all these things are done, just save it. Click on deploy, test deployments. And from here, just watch the video carefully so that you are able to complete the lab without any issue. Also do like the video and subscribe the channel. Just click on this install button. Okay, just click on this install button. Now come back over here, come to task number 3. From here, just right click over here and open incognito window. Now here you can see the installer is loading. Sometimes it is not showing over here. In that case, what you need to do, make sure you check that we have successfully installed or not. And if you have installed, just try to uninstall and reinstall and just try to refresh over here. Now simply come to the inbox page. Now here some of you may get this kind of error like emails are not visible. So I'm just sharing the alternative method also. So from here, just click on compose. Copy the student email address over here, just type anything over here and just send it. Now once you have sent successfully, click on this labels. Now for the label name, just come down over here and copy the name from here. You can type it also, there is not a single issue. Now again create a new label and here just change 1 to 2. Once this thing is done, just open an email. And if you are unable to see this label, just refresh the browser. Now click on it. Now here we have to grant the permission. So for that, just click on grant permission. Now here just click on allow. All these things are done. Just click on this checkbox and this checkbox. Now it will be updated. Come back to the lab instruction and simply check the score. And do like the video and subscribe the channel. We completed the lab. If you are wondering how to enable the yellow check my progress bar, for that just check the video description how to enable check my progress bar. And this is how we completed the lab. Do like the video and have a great day ahead.